Right, back we go with some more videos. It is Monday, February 22nd. Taking a look at some stocks. The market is it's kind of up and down. Nasdaq minus 205, Dow Jones plus 149, S&P minus 8. Yeah, we've had a big run since November. We're getting a little like toppy here. We're not getting the follow through. A lot of stuff's pulling back from the big run, so we'll see what's next. METX I've done many times. 13 million float, 150 million market cap. No news recently. Educational services, Republic of China. As my computer stuck here. All right, you can see this move here. To move up, sideways, down. It's like a roller coaster. We went up a little bit, and down we go. So the three line right here is very important. Dropped to the 175 line. I called this many times. If that holds, it's goodbye. You have the gap above, and it did. And boy, did it with this volume. We broke through, get as high as 425 plus. And then see the volume decrease. That's not that bad. People they don't understand stocks. It's a pullback, it's consolidation. The volume is very low here. So waiting for next news or something to happen, maybe with this stock or the market. Right now it's drifting. You want this 250 to hold though. You don't want it to just drift all the way back. That doesn't help. So if this comes back to 250, we bounce here. It looks like a cup and handle, doesn't it? Cup went up here. Here's a big handle, triangle, sort of like it anyway. Now we're sort of flat stochastics. Everything's just like sideways at this point. So, what's the next move? Are you going to break up big? Past this 3, I would look for 3 to 4 in this. 3 to 4 to 450, that's my line on this. I think it will happen. It's just right now. And that's where we stand right now. So, on METX. LLIT, 1.78 million float, 34.84 million market cap. No news in this recently at all. This is designs, develops, markets, distributes medical products, medical components in China internationally. This had a huge move to 26 in February, came back down. You have the 3 to 6 line. Look at this, back and forth, back and forth. Finally broke up on this candle here. High of 1714. And then see where we come back to again. Look, your 13's coming up. That's why it bounced right off this. It's not going to go straight down. It can't. A candle and these moves can't go straight through because your 13's clearly engaged and above your 20. You would have to make a quick turn like this. See this or something right here? So, this move 7, get to the 10 line. Stochastics going up strong. Decent volume. It fought back today. This 9 line bounced right up. So, the next move on this, we're trying to hold this 10. If we can hold that, 12, 11, 12, and then what's the next move up here? 14 to 16, I guess is possible. It's a really low float. So, watch this for any other news or something to happen with this stuff. GSM. $71 million float. 536 million market cap on this. Earnings up 12% today. Schedules fourth quarter, full year 2020 earnings. Operates specialty metals industry, United States, Europe, internationally. Silicone, chemicals, personal care items. All right, so this is another dropper. This was 17, dropped 9, dropped to 7. You had a big gap here at 5, down. Computer's stuck here. And then we came down, look at this gap, then it fell all the way to this 50-cent line. Went sideways for a while, we bounced up. Made this like U shape, look at this right here. 150, look at that hold. Then we came up. This is a little fake out though. Came through really hard, and then look what happened the next few days, bounced straight up. Then we got to the 3 line, and that held very nice. So the low keeps getting higher. See the theme here? Each low. So this is at 374 today, making a nice run up 12, 13%. You know, as this keeps going, you're into the gap now, clearly into the gap. This could go to 4, watch 4 to 5. This keeps going, they push it. And I would watch immediately this 3 line. So GSM looking strong. All right, here's HOTH, Hoth, 6.7 million float, 35 million market cap. Plans to test HT03 API inflammatory bowel disorders, share spike. Pharmaceutical company developing therapies for dermatological disorders. Yeah, this is another one. It was a big move down, a big wedge. Found this 3 line. It finally bottomed, then it's broke up to 3 after it bottomed like 156. Then it came down. You know, found your line here. This 2 line, this 225 line. Nice little wick here. Look at this candle. Tried to break through 3. Thought that would be good, but the last 3 days have been down. It couldn't break this 3 level. And again, look why. Look, here's why. Right here, all these lines. Then you have a 3-day move down. Stochastics clearly going down. You know, you still have 225. If that don't hold, we get a bounce here, then you're going, you know, back down to 2. Then 2, then there's this gap. So 225 right here is like very important. And then so is 2 at this point. So yeah, if that doesn't hold, you know, back down we go. You can almost draw a line like this too from this wick. So this isn't looking good right now. It sort of topped out that 3 line again. That's why certain lines are very important. They can't break them until they clearly break them and hold. So, all right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank98. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. That is it. Leave comments. And that is it for now.